is crazy. I just found a wren. I'm out to look for the purple sandpiper. I did find one, but it's a little bit too far out, so I'm just sitting here waiting, and hopefully it will come a little bit closer, feed around the stones in the area here. So this is what I have on now, because the purple sandpiper is not a big bird, and I don't want to go too close because it might fly away, and I don't want to disturb it too much. And then I want to have like a little bit more reach. So together with my 500, this is 750 millimeter. And the image quality on the D500 is really good for a crop camera. And the sharpness is perfect when they have like taking away the moire filter. I don't know how it's pronounced, but yeah. And the sharpness is really nice. And the autofocus system is the same as the D5, and really high performance on the autofocus, and I really like that. And the tilted screen here for video, it's perfect. I missed that on my D4S, but yeah, this is really good for this camera here. The purple sandpiper is still sleeping out in that little stone area in the sea there. Hopefully it will start to feed around the stones. This is crazy. I just found a wren. 2 wrens. The other one disappeared, but it's up and down on these beautiful stones here, feeding insects. I'm laying open here, but it doesn't seem to bother. Whew. Perfect. I did not find the purple sandpiper again because it didn't come closer, so I just thought I'd go and look for the purple sandpiper other places, but I saw 2 wrens sitting on a stone, so I just sat down still, really calm, and I managed to come really close, and yeah, here I am. Now I can see a bird a little bit further back. So it's perfect for them to hunt insects now, because it's not much wind and the sun is like baking on the stones, and therefore the stones are warm and attract insects. So therefore they are like hunting in between the stones. And it's perfect for me to just wait around this area here. The stones in the area are really beautiful with all kinds of colors and moss, and light is perfect because the winter time the sun doesn't rise too high on the sky, so it's almost the golden light all day. This is really nice. It's all back and forth, up and down between the stones there, looking for insects. So for me it's just like focusing on top of the edges here, and when it jumps up and like the bird is trying to like have a overview and see if they can spot some insects they can hunt for, so they use this top of the stones here, and there I am focusing on this area, and when they land there I get the opportunity to take some pictures. this is really, really nice. It's such a small bird as well. It's the second smallest bird in Norway. I have photographed it before. I put a link on that in the description. You can see the video if you want to see that. But this, I haven't have it on this like type of environment with these beautiful stones with different kind of colors. There it is again. There's another one just further back. Could be a male and a female in this area here. This is what I have laid in. Look at this. It's a bit greasy. It's just... Can you see? So this turned out to be a really great time photographing. After all, I thought this was a little bit on the downside photograph. Try to photograph the purple sandpiper, but it turned out to be an awesome day. I hope you enjoyed this as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.